Everyone, welcome to Assessment for Addictions Counseling. I'm Patrice Arkfeld. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I will be the instructor for this course. In addition to me, we also have a graduate teaching assistant on this course. Her name is Madison Colley, and she'll be helping me with the grading throughout this course. So throughout these next 8 weeks, you're probably going to be getting emails from both of us, and I just wanted to give you a heads up of who those people are. But many of you probably don't know me, but you've received emails from me because I am the administrative assistant for the Masters of Addictions Counseling program here at CSU, and I also serve as an instructor of record while I'm completing my PhD here at CSU. So you've probably seen my name, but not necessarily recognized my face, which is okay because I'm so excited to get to know all of you over these next 8 weeks and to have y'all in class. The reason why I'm teaching this class is because I graduated from a terminal master's program that was CACREP accredited. And I've taken these courses before and I know exactly what CACREP programs are looking for when you are applying for licensure. So that's partially why I'm teaching this course, and because I am really passionate about assessment. So a little bit about our course. This is going to be an 8-week completely online course. So all of the materials that you need for our course outside of our textbook are going to be accessible to you through Canvas. So that means each week there will be recorded lectures and assignments for you to complete, and all of that will be available in the module section of our Canvas course page. We will have a textbook for the course that you will need to purchase. It is the 2014 book by Danica Hayes titled Assessment in Counseling, Procedures and Practices, 6th edition. You can find more information about the textbook on our syllabus and on our Canvas course page, but we will be working out of that textbook, so you will need a copy of it for our class. But the purpose of our class is to look at the reasons why we use assessment in counseling, starting with the history and development of different types of assessments ranging from abilities tests to intelligence tests to vocational tests, and then how to ethically and efficiently use both standardized and non-standardized assessments in counseling and what those results mean in your work as a clinician in the field. So our course is going to be organized so that the first 4 weeks of the semester is largely education based, where we're going to be going over each week 4 chapters from the textbook. And by the end of the 4th week, you'll complete your exam in this course, which will be multiple choice completely on Canvas. And then the second half of the course, the second 4 weeks of the course, will all be application based. So learning about assessments in counseling, potentially practicing some of these assessments in your own time, and getting experience with writing an assessment report. So conducting a substance use assessment and then what that looks like in the context of your clinical work. So each week during the final 4 weeks of the semester, you will turn in a small portion of a substance use assessment report, and you'll get feedback from Madison and myself on how that section looks. And then the final assignment in this course will be the integrated report. So taking all of the sections that you previously typed up with the feedback incorporated and changed from the previous drafts, and then submitting that as your final assignment. So this course is going to feel a little bit heavy, especially at the start, because there's going to be a lot of learning at the beginning, and then the second half is going to be a lot of application. But it seems to be the best way to distribute the workload, given that y'all have a lot of other courses that you're probably taking over the summer. So I look forward to having all of you in class, and I want you to know that I'm happy to be a resource. So please reach out if you have questions about the course. You'll see in the syllabus that there's a 48-hour response time during the week and there is a 2-day response time on the weekdays and a 3-day response time on the weekends when you email me. So just keep that in mind as you're reaching out. A couple of other things to know about the course are that if you need to get a hold of me or Madison, email is the best option. But I also offer an optional synchronous meeting for this course that will take place on Wednesdays from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. And this optional synchronous meeting is completely virtual, and it will be a chance for students to reach out if they have questions about content, they're struggling to understand a concept, or they really want to ask some questions about the course. Join that meeting and you can get direct contact with me immediately during that hour window. One other thing to keep in mind is that our course begins on May 15th and goes until July 9th, and each week of our course will start on Monday. So because our course starts on Monday, May 15th, it will go that full week through Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and then starting on Monday at 12:01 a.m., that's the start of the second week. So that means that you will have the full weekend to work on assignments in this course because the deadlines will be Sunday at 11:59 p.m. for all assignments. You can see more information about this on the syllabus, but feel free to reach out if you have questions. Again, I'm excited to have all of you in class this semester and to see what y'all are able to gather from this course, and I look forward to working with y'all in the future.